Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share how to format table in Excel. We have a Excel sheet like that. So what we need to do, click the full range of the data and go to the insert tab, and then here is the table button. Click the table button. Here's the which data range you want to table. So where is the data for your table? So we need to select the range and click OK. The formation OK. Now our data change to table. This is the table heading and table. This is when we are going to table design tab, and here table name. If you want, we can change the table name. Okay, table name new or new table. We can go new table. Okay, table. And then we can change the formatting. This is a design. If you don't like this design for standard design, we can select this one or this one, which one you want. Okay, we can select. Or if you want to make a new table style, you can go and change that format here. You can make a new design yourself. Color, you can select the color, all of them like that. Okay, and whole table we can put a new for color here like that. Like, if you want, select that one. If you, or we can select this one. Which one you want, we can select it. Okay, header row. Here is the how to make a table. This is how to make a table. So first we need to select the range of data and then go to insert tab and then select the table button and then okay. If you want to change the design of the table style, you can go and choose the table design here. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.